How to create Google Forms on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create Google Forms on mobile, first of all launch the browser on your device. Here I'm going for Google Chrome and then simply tap on the search bar and search for Google Forms. Now you get the option of Google Forms sign in at the top of the screen. Select on it. As you select on it, make sure you are logged into your account and here you'll be able to land on the Google Forms page. So here you can simply tap on the untitled form and you can simply add the topic of the form over here. So let's say customer feedback is the title of this. So let's select on customer feedback and now you can simply add a form description. You can add a question like you can simply tap on service is satisfying and here you can simply add multiple choice questions over here. If you want, you can select whichever way you would want. So you can simply tap on option 1 yes, add option no and say maybe and then simply tap on required option and here you have created a Google form. So now you can simply share it to anybody you would want by tapping on 3 dotted lines and simply tap on the option over here. So you have different options. So let's just go back and you can simply tap on the option of settings or publish the form and simply tap on publish and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.